but they often look generic or inconsistent. That's where Atlas's AI product photo tool comes in. Back in your Shopify dashboard, click on AI product photos under the Atlas app. Click on Start Creating Now, and you'll be shown a few training guidelines. Make sure to read through them. They're important if you want the best results. Once you're ready, give your model a name. Then either select existing product photos from your Shopify store or upload new ones right here. After that, you'll choose a training speed. The 30-minute option is fine for most cases, but if you want sharper, more detailed results, the 3-hour training gives noticeably better output. Once your model is finished training, you'll see the status update to succeeded, just like it shows on my screen here. To start creating your AI-generated product photos, go over to the right side and click on the Actions button. This will bring up the prompt editor. This is where you tell the AI exactly what kind of product photo you want. Now, you can write the prompt completely from scratch if you want, but I highly recommend using the Use AI Suggested Prompt button at the top. Once you click the button, it'll automatically fill in a detailed prompt for you. This prompt includes everything the AI needs, like your product's design, color, background style, lighting, and even the setting or vibe of the image. If you want to tweak anything, you can just highlight and edit the text manually. I'm happy with how mine looks, so I'll go ahead and scroll down and click Generate Now, then Confirm it. And now, we'll see the product photos start generating down at the bottom of the screen. And just like that, the AI-generated product photos are ready. I'm pretty happy with the results here, so I'll pick a couple of my favorites. To save the ones you want to use, just select the images, then click Save Selected Images. Once they're saved, head over to the Saved Images tab. You'll see all the photos you just saved appear there at the bottom. Go ahead and select the ones you'd like to download and hit Download Selected. That'll save the images to your computer so you can add them to your Shopify store. Next, on the left-hand side, click on Products, then select the product we've been working on. Scroll down to the Media section, click the plus icon, then choose Add Media. From here, upload the AI photos you just saved. I'll upload the images I picked earlier, then click Done once they're in. You can repeat this whole process as many times as you want to create more product photos. And this will help give your store a full, polished gallery that looks clean, cohesive, and professional.